Good afternoon. Last lecture we have seen the basic theorem of the transportation problem, that is necessary and sufficient condition of the transportation problem, that is total supply equal to total demand, and we have explained the basic term of transportation problem. In this lecture we have seen the next theorem on transportation problem, that is theorem 2. Number of basic variable in a transportation problem are at most m plus n minus 1. That is the number of basic variable that is transportation problem are the at most m plus n minus 1. Proof that is number of allocation to find the initial basic feasible solution. The number of allocation in the row and column, that is sum of row and column is minus 1. To prove this, consider the first m plus n minus 1 constraint of the transportation problem as summation I equal to 1 over m x I j equal to dj, that is j equal to 1 to up to n minus 1, that is n minus 1 inequalities. And summation of this m j equal to 1 over n x I j equal to ai, that is I equal to 1 to up to n, that is m inequalities. Now adding n minus 1 destination constraint this is 1 or this 2. 1 we get, that is we add n minus 1 destination constraint at 1, that we get summation of j equal to 1 over n minus 1 summation I equal to 1 over m x I j equal to summation of n minus 1 j equal to 1 bj is the third. That is the number of basic variable of transportation problem at most m plus n minus 1. That is we have to this consider the first m plus n minus 1 constraint of the transportation problem, that is summation x I j equal to bj, that is n minus 1 inequalities, and summation x I j equal to ar, that is I equal to 1 to up to n m inequality, and we add n minus 1 destination constant 1, we add, that is summation j equal to 1 over n minus 1 summation xij equal to summation bj, and we get this constant and adding m origin constant to we get, that is we add m origin in the constant 2 and we get, that is summation of I equal to 1 over m into summation of j equal to 1 over n xij equal to summation of I equal to 1 over m a r, this fourth condition. And then this is the fourth condition, and then subtract 3 from 4, we get summation of I equal to 1 over m and summation n j equal to 1 xij minus, that is subtract the 3 from 4, that is this subtract from this, and we get summation of j equal to n minus 1 into summation I equal to 1 over m xij equal to summation of I equal to 1 ai m minus summation of n minus 1 j equal to 1 bj is the fifth. That is, we have subtract the equation 3 from equation 4 and we get this equation. Or summation I equal to 1 over m into summation j equal to 1 over n xij minus summation of j equal to 1 n minus 1 xij equal to summation j equal to 1 over n bj minus summation of j equal to 1 n minus 1 bj, where summation ai equal to summation bj, that is sufficient and necessary condition of the transportation problem. Or summation of m I equal to 1x n plus summation of j equal to 1 over n minus 1 minus summation of j equal to 1 n minus 1 xij equal to bn plus summation j equal to 1 over n minus 1 bj minus summation n minus 1 j equal to 1 bj. Or summation I equal to 1 over m x I n equal to bn, and that is which is the exactly last n destination constraint, and that obviously indicate that if the first m plus n minus 1 constraint are satisfied, then summation ai equal to summation bj ensure that m plus n constraint will be automatically satisfied, and thus out of m plus n equation one is and remaining m plus n minus 1 equation form a linearly independent set. Hence the theorem is proved. Hence the theorem is proved. That is, it is coincident that a basic feasible solution will be consist of at most m plus n minus 1 positive variable or other break 0. In the degenerate case, some of the basic variable will also be 0. That is, number of positive variable will be becomes less than m plus n minus 1. The fundamental theorem of linear programming, one of the basic feasible solution will be optimal solution. That is, when the transportation, we get the optimal solution of the transportation problem, that is, we get m plus n minus 1 condition, and the solution is optimal and we find the optimality test of the transportation problem. We have proved the number of basic variables in the transportation problem are at most m plus n minus 1.